Welcome to the final day of the 30 wedding photography videos in 30 days.
Keep waving. It's good stuff, man.
Today is the last day. There's a link in the description if you want to go back through all the other days. There's been a lot of content that has gone up this month. This course ends on the 30th of January. I did say 30 videos in 30 days, and I guess that's kind of true. The 31st ended up being a Monday, and we all know that Mondays are for film photography, and those videos were scheduled a long, long time ago, so they're still going up. They're going up all the way into, I think, March or April, May, June. We did a lot of film photography over the past couple of months, and it really was a heck of a lot of fun. I hope that you found the past bunch of days here on YouTube very beneficial and worth your time. If you are interested, I've mentioned it a million times at this point, the deal with the Focal website does close tomorrow, I guess the 31st at midnight. So if you want to save the $935 USD and get a free website set up, you have to pay for the hosting, the yearly, but the actual setup fee is complimentary, which is pretty crazy. They build you a website. They have professional copywriters. They do everything. They put your website online. You can edit it, and then it's just live, and you get keys to it. You can make any changes you want. It really is an incredible system. It comes with an amazing backend to keep you organized, especially if you're just getting started in wedding photography. You'll soon learn the struggle of if you build a business that's not organized in the backend, it just gets really, really chaotic and you start missing things. So start that from the very beginning. If you are already on your way to being a wedding photographer and you have lots of weddings for next year, either bring those over into the backend to keep all nice and organized, or just kind of start from now. Anything that you book kind of goes in there. You can do your payment requests over there. It stores your contract. You can do contracts online. You can do anything that you need to run a photography business from that back end there. So go check it out, get your name on the wait list, and sign up for your website. They will be continuing to roll out. So if your name is on the wait list this month, you will get this offer, but they're taking, we overwhelm them with demand a little bit. So it's going to take a little while to get through everything. But that said, it is an incredible deal that will never come back. So definitely get your name on that list. If you have any questions at all about anything wedding photography related, please put it in the comments below. Or if you have any film photography related questions, please put them in tomorrow's video because we're back there. That's all. I don't know why I picked up this lens, but it felt right. So goodbye from this lens, this 50mm f1.8 lens, and myself, Taylor Jackson, here in the office. Hope you have enjoyed the past bunch of days, and I hope that your 2022 goes amazing in wedding photography. I'll see you again. It's not like this is the end. Like, I'm still going to make stuff in February, just not every single day. And if you're interested in getting, I guess, the more advanced courses, I don't think I talked about any of the courses, hours of wedding photography, premium content over on my courses page, as well as my presets, my LUTs. There's full magazine style pricing guides, as well as how to travel the world for nearly free, and all kinds of courses over there. So maybe go check that out. I can't believe this is the first time in the entire month on YouTube that I'm mentioning this, but there's so much content over there if you're interested in going more in depth into wedding photography. There are hundreds of hours of content, maybe thousands of hours of content, and you can get instant access to it if you sign up for the single month. So you can sign up for the $40 monthly, and you'll get access to it all. It's less expensive overall if you sign up for the yearly. Either way, you're getting access to it. And that's all from me here today in the studio. I'll see you again on YouTube and then other places, I'm sure. And yeah, that's all. Feels weird that this is the end. It was my life for an entire month. Now it's not. So see you in February.